Registering for My Canada Life at Work takes just a few minutes. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com and click Register. Then, select Benefits to manage your health and dental plan. Enter your plan and member numbers you received from your plan administrator. Then, choose Next. Now, enter your first and last name as they appear in your enrollment package. Next, you'll add your personal email address and a password you'll always use to sign in. View the privacy notice. Now it's time to get you set up with multi-factor authentication. Sign in with the credentials you just provided. To verify your email address, we'll email you a 6-digit code for you to enter. Then, we'll secure your account. Provide the phone number you'd like to use for multi-factor authentication. We'll verify your identity one last time to complete your multi-factor authentication setup. Now it's time to complete your registration. Enter a few more personal details, then click Continue. That's it. Now you're ready to use My Canada Life at Work for your benefits plan. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.